over a blanket before, but there's a first. Tripped over the blanket. Now I'm just going to grab another one, or grab the one that flung away, because it's almost ground. Let's grab another one. Let's grab another bolt and do it again. Hold on to it this time, Chetty. Hold on to it. Alrighty. Just going to do this. Flush stuff here. Probably not the safest sometimes, but we're making a bumper. Aren't we, baby? Making a bumper. I gotta chrome this bumper out. I gotta send this thing out in the mail and sell that guy here in a bit. Alrighty, that one fits in there, good. All right, that bolt's not going to come back through because I put a head on the bolt and it can't come through the hole. So if you're hauling on the bumper and tighten it up, you'd have to bust that weld off to come through, if you know what I'm trying to say. I'm going to tack it on this side just because it's there, and it's, see how I got the shoulder on this side? It's a nice, I just like it. It's a nice shoulder. Just weld it on this side, give it a couple tacks. I'm guessing this is a 30s bumper. I'm guessing. Okay. I'll leave that like that. Now, take this. I got a flapper wheel of doors. All right, back outdoors we go. Put some paint on it, bring it back in and chrome it.